Hey everyone, it's Lucy. I am so excited for today's plan with me because it has been a hot minute since I've last posted a plan with me. Honestly, I think it's been a couple of years since I've posted on this channel. So hi, hello. If you're new here, I am Lucy, one of two sisters who runs Sticker Guru. We post a lot more on our Instagram and TikTok, so make sure to go check us out. I'll have links in the description down below. And if you like this video, please support by liking and commenting. Thank you. So let's get on with this plan with me. This kit is called Snowdrops, and I'm using our planner, our Big Plans planner, which is, as you can see, an undated weekly vertical. And this is a mini size kit, so it comes with 4 sheets. It's silver foil. And I'm just starting out by laying out our washi strips, of course, because that's just, I don't know how else to plan. So we're laying that out. Also, I don't know what went on with laying down this washi strip. Let's just ignore that. So next up, we'll be laying our date dots. I actually just recently bought these tweezers, and I'll have a link to the tweezers that I bought down below because it was like super cheap. It was like $6.99 for 6 different tweezers, and they've been really awesome. I think they're actually crafting tweezers. So they're really great, really precise. I've been loving it, loving not having to use my big fingers to lay down these tiny stickers. It's a game changer, guys. So putting down our dates, luckily it's the start of November and it was really easy because I feel like normally I have to look up the dates, but this was easy because Monday was the first day of November. So putting those down, I like to put down the washi and the date covers first, just because I feel like it really frames the whole spread. Honestly, I feel like I haven't been planning, at least planning like this, very often. I will go on our Instagram live occasionally, if you guys have seen. They also get posted to our IGTV, so if you want to go watch them, they're there under our little video tab on our Instagram profile. But I regularly will do Instagram lives of me planning, but I feel like I haven't done a proper sit down plan with me in a very long time. Just because I feel like, I don't know, like I first of all haven't had the time, but when it really comes down to it, it's like, okay, I could make the time. But I have been using our daily planner every single day because it's just so much easier. I find it a lot easier to stay consistent with a daily planner just because I don't have to write down the entire week. And then I will use my Google Calendar as a supplement to keep track of dates that are more like in the future. So far I feel like it's been working for me, at least this past year. I know 2022 is coming up and everyone's talking about what planners they're going to use. I think I'm going to stick with the daily planner and of course like plan for fun and the weekly planner. But I think day to day, I'm going to be using the daily planner. I feel like people now want like everything. Like they want a planner that has daily, weekly, monthly, all in one. And I feel like that would be nice, but also I think about how thick that would end up being. And I like how thin this planner is because that way you can put in more stickers and it doesn't get super fat, you know? So you can just see here, I'm doing the sidebar. Pretty much everything that I'll be using in this spread is Sticker Guru, so I'm not going to bother telling you where things are from unless it is from another shop. I didn't fill out the sidebar because I want to fill that in at the end of the week. I am planning for this week, so not the entire week has happened. Things might change, which I don't love doing. Like I'd prefer to just back plan or memory plan instead, but we're going with it. I wanted to do something non-fall related because I'm so sick of seeing fall kits. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but as a shop owner, we have to design kits, you know, like well in advance. So by the time the season actually arrives or the holiday actually arrives, I am just so sick of seeing it. And so I'm over a fall. I'm so done with it. I told Lisa, I was like, I cannot look at another fall kit. Hence why I am using a winter kit. And I really love how this kit turned out. So I do all of the first draft designing of the kits, and then Lisa will go in and she does kind of like a final draft, and she'll clean things up. She'll add in elements, foil elements, and just sort of rearrange things to make it look more cute. Oh, as you can see here, I tried so many times to lay that sticker flat and it still ended up crooked. So um, don't hate me. Okay, also, I wanted to just make a little disclaimer slash note that this filming setup that I have going on, I have like 2 lights on either end of my table, and then I have a camera right above. I don't currently love this setup because if you saw it, it's a little, it's not professional looking. It's a little janky, but it works so far. I feel like I'm gonna have to just kind of figure things out on how I want to do my filming setup because I don't love it. And also, I realized right as I was recording this that I definitely need to get a microphone because using the laptop, I'm editing on my laptop and I'm also recording this audio on my laptop. And my laptop it's old. It's from, I think it's like 2012. It's a MacBook. Still works great, but the fan is like so loud. It's struggling. It's really struggling to record this audio. And if you listen closely, I think you can hear the fan in the background as well. So I definitely need a better microphone. If you guys have any recommendations, I know a lot of you also film your own videos. Would love to hear how you guys do your setup because this is working for now, but I definitely want to upgrade things to make it a better viewing experience for you guys. I also realized that I originally had wanted to film a little bit more closer, like more close up so you can see like the details and the writing and the stickers a little bit better, but I was totally in the zone laying all these stickers down that I forgot to do that, and so we just have this like wide panned out look of the entire spread. So let me know what you guys prefer. Do you prefer like up close so you see like exactly what I'm working on, or do you like seeing the whole thing, the whole spread? Let me know in the comments. So as you can see here, I am now laying down our elements. We've got our Tubular Tuesdays that I've pulled in here. I've used the silver ones from our winter collection. And then I also have the deco that matches this kit, both the deco and the functional deco. I really love how the colors came together in this, and it just feels so floral and elegant and like wintry, but not too wintry. You know what I mean? So finally, we're on to the writing part. And I wanted to note, because I was so excited, I really wanted to use these monthly scripts. I wanted to note that it was the first day of November. And also on Monday, we went out to dinner we live in Cambridge, Massachusetts. So we went out to dinner in Cambridge and just had a nice little night. I feel like we haven't been eating out very much, if like ever. I feel like I've been cooking a lot, so it was nice to just go out, eat, have a drink, and chat. I also had my weekly meeting with Lisa on Monday, and I like to mark by the period app that I use on my phone called Flow. It reminded me that it was the start of my luteal phase. I like to know because I have PMDD, which it's like, if you're not familiar with it, it's like PMS, but times 1,000 is how I would describe it. And so I feel like starts, it like really kicks in at the start of my luteal phase, and it will like really, the day before my period starts, it'll be like super bad. But so yeah, it's like good for me to track. And then on Tuesday, we didn't have $2 Tuesday this week. I had some time to journal. I went to Trader Joe's. I actually bought some flowers from Trader Joe's, which I've never like bought for myself. And then I went over to TJ Maxx right across the street to get a vase. So I was really excited about that. On Wednesday, which is actually when I filmed this plan with me, I have been doing Vlogimber with my sister. I think this might be our second or honestly maybe third year of doing it. But for us, Vlogimber is posting to our Instagram stories, or I guess this year it's posting Instagram Reels, posting just like our day in the life, like what's going on with our day for the entire month of November. And it's mainly just because we think it's fun. It's like Vlogmas, but instead of Vlogmas, which is in December, it's in November. I think the only other shop that I use in this spread is I use some scripts from Ice Cream Joe, who is a good friend of ours, and I will link her shop down below so you can go check her out. We love her scripts, and we've actually collabed with her before, so I like using her stickers a lot. Okay, so to kind of explain my planning for this spread, I first wrote out in my daily planner like what was going on every single day of the week. And then I kind of just lay down stickers as I go. I feel like other planners, I see other plan with me's and they're like super well planned. Like I feel like they just, it feels like they know what they're putting down. Like they've put some creative thought into it. I feel like that's not me. I'm literally just laying these down, seeing what fits. And that's okay. I'm like totally fine with that. I like the spontaneity. But I am envious of other planners who I feel like their layouts are so cohesive and it's like just like so well put together. I don't know. I feel like our kits, at least with these stickers, I feel like it's quite easy to come up with a cohesive spread, so I'm not going to worry too much about it because I'm liking how it's turning out. Okay, so for Thursday, I'm prepping for the sale that's happening on Friday. I guess it'll be live when I put up this video, but we are part of the PBC Fall Haul, so they have like a couple shops featured every single day. I think leading up to Black Friday, I want to say, and these shops will have like a little discount or some sort of promotion going on. It's really fun, so I'm really excited that we're doing that. It'll be on Friday. It'll be everything's 20% off, and also I'm currently editing my plan with me right now. And I have been using the Nintendo Switch, the Nintendo Fit, I think is what it's called. I've been using that as a workout, so I've been doing that pretty often. And on Friday and Saturday, I have a workshop, so I wanted to definitely make a note of that. Wanted to make a note of the sale that's coming up, and also on Fridays is when I have therapy. I'm posting Vlogmas on the odd days of November, and Lisa's posting Vlogember on the even days of November. So I want to make sure I remember that. Also, it's Boba Friday, so I definitely had to put down that as our script. I was so excited to put down that script. Y'all don't even know. We have been waiting for our couch for nearly 2 months. I know it's like a whole supply chain thing, but I'm so excited. It's been 2 months of not having a couch, and I'm really excited that it's finally getting delivered on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, this was kind of a guess because I didn't have these 2 dates totally planned out, but I figured I was going to get these things done sometime this weekend. Finally, I am putting in some deco and clusters. Y'all, I'm such a fan of clusters. I feel like you guys have been really loving our clusters. I've been really loving the clusters. I don't know what it is about them, but they just add like a little sparkle, a little glam, a little cuteness to the spread, and I'm obsessed. Did I put too many? Maybe, but I love it. I also am a big fan of these dividers. I just like how they just add a little something, like not too much. You know, it's not overkill, but it's like a little something to the spread as well. And then just putting in some deco. I might have gone a little overboard with my decorating, but you know what? I had fun. I definitely had a lot of fun laying down these stickers. So yeah, I would love to hear from you guys, hear how you plan. Love to hear what planners that you guys are using, because I'm always looking to try new planners. And then let me know what you guys think of this spread. And hopefully I'll be posting more Plan With Me's. I don't want to make any promises, but hopefully I will be doing more in the future. So if you guys like this, please leave a comment, like this video, and you can go check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and our Facebook group. I'll leave all the links down below. Thanks for watching this Plan With Me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!